Well, we had a little bit of a mishap, a big boat, the other day. We had the air cleaner bolt broke. And I didn't have it safety wired, which I know better. And Zach had a big load, came up around that corner, got into the power hard, and it flipped that air cleaner and cover back into the prop and absolutely destroyed that prop. And I'll show you that in just a second. We're up here on just a glorious day, as you can tell. About 35 degrees, behind the snow, rain. Zach's in his full wetsuit because we're probably going to have to do a little bit of pushing and shoving to get this thing down deeper water where we can pull it. That's what happens when you run metal through a prop. Doesn't like it. Got the boat home. It wasn't too big of a deal. We were able to float it back down where we could get into some deeper water and get another boat hooked to it and just bring it back. But now I'll get it pulled out of the water and pull that cage off. I was gonna have that cage rebuilt anyway, but it has to be rebuilt now. Or at least a portion of it would have to be. It took this whole corner off, split my exhaust headers. It just played havoc. So, anyway, at least she's back at the lodge. I don't have to worry about stuck up river. So, if you're ever wondering, that is what not to do with an airboat. Hope you all have a good day.